Hello everyone, I'm Syed Amer. Welcome to a new video. In this video, we'll see overfitting and underfitting. These are the problems that occur into machine learning. So with one simple example, I will be explaining you this. For example, if I have some data, I'm plotting it into my XY plane. For example, if I have this data, I'm plotting that into XY plane, and now with this data I'll be applying some algorithm. Fine. So for example, if I use some algorithm and after modeling it, I got a line something like this. If you see this carefully, I'm not saying that I have applied linear regression. Fine, I just applied some algorithm and I got this line. Fine. So if you see, that's the first thing that I did. And again, for the same data, for example, if I apply some other algorithm, and with that algorithm I got a curve something like this. Getting? I applied two algorithms, two models here. With one model I got this line, with another model I got this second line, second curve. So with the first line, if you talk about this blue line, if with this blue line, if you try to predict the things, that will not predict the things correctly. Agree? The prediction will be very less. Means what? If you're going with this blue line, your accuracy will be very less, and you can say the underlying logic of your data is not being considered by this blue line. Agree? For second case, if you talk about this red line, it captured everything, right? And it captured all the noises also, you can say. So what happened here is it captured all the points. That's why you can say it overestimate the things here. If you try to go with this curve again, the accuracy will be very less. Getting? If you consider the blue line, then if you see, again I'm repeating, what is it? It doesn't consider any of the point, right? So this will be called as what? Underfitting. Okay. And what about this? It consider all your points. So it's good, right? It's good that it has considered all the points. See, though it has considered all the points, its accuracy will be very less, because we have points here, some point here, some point here, some point here also, right? So it considered all the point. It has taken all the point very seriously, you can say. So all the noises is also considered. So for this case, again, of course the losses is less as far as your data, data set is concerned, but its accuracy will be very less. So this will be what? This will be called as what? Overfitting. I hope you got the difference, right? This will be underfitting and this will be what? Overfitting. So what's the best thing? Again, both are what? The problems. Both are the problems, the issues that occurs into any machine learning algorithm. So what's the best model you can have? The best model should be something like this. Something like this. Okay. So if you see this model, it's considering all the points, of course, but it's not going through all the points. Find something like linear regression. Okay. So this green line will have high accuracy and low losses. So I hope you got this overfitting and underfitting.